Welcome everyone to another episode of No Fear Cooking, and we have a crowded kitchen today. Over there we got Magda, that's right, and she's got these three lovely girls visiting us from Romania, the town of Sebeș. And we have over here from left to right, we have Ashley. In the middle we have Annabelle, and over on the right is Jacqueline. Now, what do these young ladies love to make? Chocolate chip cookies. They make so many chocolate chip cookies, it's out of this world, and they love cooking. You know, that's not their profession. These are highly educated girls and they love cooking as a hobby. So they have decided to share their recipe with us today for chocolate chip cookies Romanian style. That's right, there is a secret Romanian ingredient in these chocolate chip cookies at the very end, which will make it moist, chewy, and oh my God, so good. Everybody who's seen this or tasted these are going wild over these girls' cookies. So I'm gonna be quiet. Babbitt, you over there, bud? Where is the little guy? There he is, he wants some crumbs. Okay, all right, let's get started. Take it away, girls.
Okay, so we're gonna start by preheating the oven to 375 degrees, and then we're gonna line our trays with parchment paper. Okay, so once we've done that, we can go on further. Now, the next step is to mix up all our dry ingredients. So our dry ingredients are 3 cups of flour. There.
Oopsie.
Yeah, try to not make a mess, but I think that'll be hard. Okay. So we put in 3 cups.
I'll be the helper today. They are the chefs. It's so nice to have them being in the kitchen, in charge. Okay, what else do we need?
Okay, so after we have the 3 cups, we can put in 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Annabelle, do you want to do that for me?
Yeah.
Please?
Oops.
Then we're gonna have a half a teaspoon of baking powder. And finally, we put 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we can just kind of take all these dry ingredients and just mix them together a little bit. And then once we've done that, we can just take this bowl and put it aside for a while, and Annabelle's gonna continue telling you what to do.
Now we're gonna put 1 cup of butter, softened butter.
And just give that a mix. And then we're gonna put 1 cup of granulated sugar. Where's the cup? There? Yeah. Can give that a mix. And then 1 cup of brown sugar. add in some vanilla extract. You can choose to leave it out if you don't like vanilla extract, but we like it. So we're gonna put it in, and we're gonna put 1 teaspoon inside. I'm just gonna put 2 halves so it fits. This is vanilla paste, so I think it's gonna be a little stronger. Yeah, you can put as much vanilla as you like, really. Okay, and then now we're gonna mix it up. Okay, now the last step is we take the 2 bowls we just made and we combine them. Now we're gonna not just put it all in at once because we don't want flour everywhere, so we're gonna just put a little bit at a time. Actually, Jacqueline, you might have a better grip on that from that end. And then we just mix it in. Now we can mix it a bit with a spatula. Okay, and now the last step to make our chocolate chip cookies, well, have chocolate chips, is to put in the chocolate chips. So we're gonna...
That makes it the best.
Yes, exactly. Without those, you might not like it. So we can add in 2 cups. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can also just cut some chocolate up, chop it up. And you're gonna want to mix this on really low because you don't want it.
You can scrape down the bowl.
Yeah, that's fine. And give it another little mix.
And now we're done.
Okay, you could also mix it up with a spatula if you feel that the chocolate chips didn't really mix that well. And now our next step will be to
Put them in the freezer.
yes,
Yeah,
we put this in the freezer for like 20 minutes because then it'll kind of
It's easier to put.
it's easier to put, and then they'll also
Yeah.
flatten out nicer. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do
That
that.
sounds
We'll be
good.
back.
in 20 minutes.
Welcome back. Now we have the dough and it is nice and cold. We left it in the freezer for around 20 minutes. So now we are ready to go. We just need to take a spoon and we're gonna put in scoops on the tray that we're gonna be putting in the oven. We mentioned earlier at 375 degrees. You can make them as big or as little as you want. We kind of like to make them this size just because they flatten out really nice.
This recipe should make like 36 cookies, but depends on the size.
Also, another thing, if you want extra chocolate on your cookies, you can just take some chocolate and like
just put them on
it
top.
on top. But
That's
you can do
optional.
that exactly only if you want to. So we'll do the rest and we'll come back when we're done.
And we are going to put the last tray of the cookies. These are all done. About what, 11 minutes?
Yeah.
They're
Yeah.
11 minutes in the oven, perfect. Girls, go dig in it. I'm going to put the last tray. And there are about 37 cookies?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and start them. Taste them.
These are really good.
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice and crunchy but soft.
Oh, look at that. Look. Come here. Show Mom. Oh, you're welcome. Manja manja. Paftabuna. What do you say?
Yeah.
Who's going to school now? Are you going to
Yeah.
school? All right. Are you going to school back or
Now I'm gonna start my master's and work.
work and the master
Yes,
degree at the
yes.
same time?
Yes.
Very ambitious. Very good. And you, Jacqueline, what do you have to do
Go
now?
back to college.
Go back to college?
Have fun.
Oh, have fun. Do you like cooking also?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we have time.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's really fun.
Are you helping Mom and Dad a lot?
Yeah.
Yes. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
Daddy,
And everyone, all your friends,
yeah.
I bet they're
Yeah.
following you.
yeah, they're watching. I think they will be watching. They better.
And your brother and sister, the
Yes.
younger ones.
Yeah.
Alexandra, Adrian, Anna Maria.
Wonderful.
I got them
Well,
this time.
The best cookies we have today. Thank you for sure. What is the secret of the cookie? Let's
Oh,
see.
so what we do.
We have a secret.
Yeah,
Wait,
once
don't
we-
go.
So once they're all cooled down, we can put them in whatever container you want. So we put them in. And our secret is that what we do is, for them to not get hard, we put in a piece of bread, or two, yeah, or two, however many you want. And what the bread does practically is it lets the cookies absorb the moisture, and then you'll see that after like a day or two, the bread will be really hard, but the cookies will be soft. So that's
Yeah,
what we
and then-
want.
yeah.
Then you just close it, and you're good to go.
And they last a long time.
Yeah.
Yes, they
Well,
do.
before you go, I want to say thank you for a great team. And I have a small present for you. Lots of
Oh.
chocolate chip cookies.
Thank you. You'll for sure make a lot
One more.
of cookies with
Are you
these.
going to help to bake with the kids at the camping?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be a fun activity.
Yeah.
Yeah. They like to help with the camping, so I'm glad.
We have enough chocolate chips here. So
For everyone.
Enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
again. Manja manja. Goodbye. Thank you. Give us a note and subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
Thanks.